Hello, everybody. I'm Dale Pinkert, the anchor of FX Street's live analysis room. Happy Fed week, big week. Everything's going to hinge on what happens on Thursday. We'll have live coverage. I'll be joined by Mauricio Carrillo, Valeria Bednarik, and most likely Yohei Elam. So let's get to our markets. Get my charts up here. I'm going to start off with the US dollar index. Here we go. So dollar had a negative week last week. The pound performed as expected. Euro finally caught a bid later in the week, but here we are now down at this 95 level. And to me, it looks like this could be an important inflection point for us to rally into the Fed. That's my bias going into the week, is that the dollar rallies into the Fed. So looking for an advance possibly to take up these highs in the next week or so towards 97.50. And with that bias, let's move over to our instruments. Starting off with Euro USD. We are beginning to diverge. Once we got through this line at 12.50, the market accelerated. We're no longer confirming these highs, not saying that we can't make another move, but expecting at least some type of correction in the euro. I was expecting a lot of weakness, and now we have to take it a step at a time. 112.50 is going to be a very key area, and then 11.75. Going back to last week, I had the belief that we were going to challenge the Draghi low of the ECB, so that's all the way back here. Can't rule out anything with the Fed, but definitely looking for a pullback in the euro. Short-term timing is pretty difficult. I plan on being flat for the Fed. Moving over to pound dollar, we have 1-2 drives. Thought there was a potential for a third drive. It could still happen, coming in above the 155 level, but just like the euro, expecting at least a correction of this recovery in the pound that could take us back down towards the 152 level. And trying to be patient still in US dollar yen, holding the 200 on the 1 hour. I'm still expecting these highs to be taken out, especially if I'm right about a move towards 97 again. In the euro, I have sell zones up around the 122.50, 22.80 level. Here's the 4-hour chart. So it's actually coming in right around the 123 level, which is 76.4 back at 123.10. That would be an excellent shorting opportunity in my extremely accurate and humble opinion. It's all going to hinge, just like everything else, on the Fed. And still waiting for USD CAD to complete a move to new highs. Here's your daily. We've been moving sideways for 2 weeks now. Still expecting a move towards a 134.5, 135 level. I have a great week of guests lined up for everyone going into the live coverage on Thursday. I want to wish everyone a great week. Let's have one. Good hunting, and see you in the room.